Friends, if you are currently looking for a 5G smartphone in a mid-budget, then I think this Samsung A series smartphone is going to prove to be great for you. The name of this great smartphone is Samsung Galaxy A101 5G. Even before its launch in the market, its features and price have been leaked on the internet, from which it has been revealed that it is going to get powerful Exynos 2400 chipset, along with 108 megapixel Sony DSLR camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy A101 5G. In this great smartphone, you get to see a large 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 1260 x 2712 pixel resolution, which works at 144 Hz refresh rate. Apart from this, the display has a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which makes using the phone very easy even in sunlight. And along with the in-display fingerprint sensor, an IP69 rating is also seen. Camera setup. For photography, this Samsung smartphone will have triple rear camera support, whose primary camera is 108 megapixels, which is equipped with OIS feature. Along with this, it is going to get 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 12 megapixel macro lens. At the other side, it will have a 64 megapixel selfie camera as its front camera. Processor. For the processor, this phone will be provided with a powerful Exynos 2400 chipset. For better graphics while playing games, G69 GPU will be provided. And Android 15 will be seen as the operating system. Battery backup. In this phone you are going to get the support of 7000 mAh battery. And to charge this big battery faster, the smartphone will have Type-C charging socket, with 90-watt fast charging. Price or launch date. According to leaks, its price could be around $600. And it can be introduced in the middle of 2025.